Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? What if I told you there's a way to earn daily without any investment? It sounds incredible, right? Well, thanks to AI tools, making money online in 2026 is easier than ever. Let's dive right into how you can leverage AI to earn daily. First, you need to understand what AI tools are. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. They are software programs that can analyze data, automate tasks, and even create content. Step 1. Identify AI tools that suit your skills. Platforms like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Canva help with content creation. Determine your strengths. Are you a writer, designer, or marketer? Step 2. Sign up for these AI tools. Most offer free trials. You can start earning without spending a penny. Explore their features and user guides to maximize their potential. Step 3. Create a service based on these tools. For example, you might offer social media content creation. Many businesses need fresh ideas daily. Step 4. Market your service. Use social media platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn. Join freelance marketplaces like Upwork. Showcase your AI-generated samples to attract clients. Let's break it down with an example. Suppose you use AI to write blog posts. You can create engaging articles in minutes. With good marketing, you could land multiple clients. Every completed post brings income to your pocket. Remember, consistency is vital. Create a schedule to produce and deliver your work. As your portfolio grows, so will your income. Be proactive, and clients will seek your services. In summary, AI tools can transform how you earn money online. Identify your skills, sign up for tools, create services, and market effectively. The potential to earn daily without investment is at your fingertips. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these exciting AI tools today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for more tips on making money online. Are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Embrace the possibilities that AI tools offer, and you can start transforming your skills into a steady income stream. Identification of your core competencies can lead to exciting opportunities, and the right strategy can set you on a path to financial freedom. Now is the time to be proactive and harness the power of technology at your disposal. Step 5. Monitor your progress regularly. Evaluate which services are generating the most interest and income. Adjust your strategy to focus on what works best for you. It's essential to stay flexible and responsive to market needs. Engage with your clients and seek feedback to improve your offerings. Learning continuously will enhance your services, helping you establish a strong reputation in the digital marketplace. Step 6. Build a network within your niche. Connecting with fellow freelancers and industry professionals can open doors to collaborative opportunities. Attend online events, webinars, or forums where you can share experiences and learn from others. Networking not only helps in gaining visibility but also fosters relationships that may lead to referrals and partnerships. By nurturing these connections, you can further amplify your reach and enhance your service offerings. Stay active within the community, contribute valuable insights, and don't hesitate to showcase your work. The more engaged you are, the better positioned you'll be for future success. Step 7. Utilize feedback to refine your services. As client reviews pour in, take notes on what resonates most with your audience. Constructive criticism is gold. It allows you to adapt and improve, ensuring that your offerings align with market demands. This iterative process will help you remain at the forefront of your niche, attracting even more clients interested in your expertise. Remember, the most successful freelancers are those who listen closely and evolve accordingly. Building a reputation based on quality and responsiveness will set you apart in a competitive landscape. As you implement changes, continue to assess the tools and strategies available, ensuring they align with your growing skills. Keeping an eye on emerging AI trends will also help you anticipate shifts in the market, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. Step 8. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Every client you serve and every dollar you earn is a visible marker of your progress. Acknowledging these milestones boosts motivation and keeps you focused on your goals. Eventually, your consistent efforts will not only lead to financial stability but also empower you to take on new challenges with confidence. By embracing the tools and strategies outlined, you can effectively build a rewarding income stream using AI, ultimately achieving the financial freedom you've always desired. Start your journey today, and remember that with dedication and adaptability, the possibilities are endless. Your future awaits.